1. When you receive the machine, first step. Connect the power. Electrical power here. This 3D is a number, you need put the right number here. This one is a 308 V and 3-phase. So it's different. You may put 3. Leave wire and this is 0 line and this is the ground line to connect. Like this. And then after power connection, so we move this power supplies. And first take a low speed here. And our temperature. Go on to suitable request temperature. Then look at this counter control. To turn on we check this one and this. The mode turn around is like clockwise. Like this, clockwise. Clockwise. On this way. Clockwise way. And attention for push this button. Must have space. Need a parts to the mode and ultrasonic. And also this mode must have space too. 3. We go back on this panel. Turn on this temperature button. Check here right heating to heating 3. And cool heating area temperature must suitable for this number. So the temperature will go up. We leave it now. We use this engine oil to give oil to the connection joint. Every part you are doing like this too. Use engine oil. Then we take off the machine door to check inside. First we put the engine oil or hydraulic oil like 15 to 20 千克, just put here too. Put the oil here, then the oil will go up to bottom groove. This is an automatic oil circulation, and then the oil don't fulfill like here. Just have out this iron frame here. And like 20 kilos or 15 kilos, then the oil will go through to machine bottom. High lubrication system will run over to all spare parts. Automatically oil circulation. Make all spare part down here lubricating to maintain the machine. Keep good work and good quality and long time using. 6. The engine oil you put into base of machine will come to this group. Here we also have filter to clean the oil. This is the motor of the pump. It will take the oil. Run the oil off tube in the machine. Like this little tube you can see. This tube and its machine inside connect a lot of tube. And the oil will lubricate in all the spare parts. See, this is a bottom paper. We should put this P-coated surface up. Then we put here.这裤子 Sure. We put it inside. Then we lock. We locked this bottom paper here. And now we go here. Please have a look. It's a P side face up. So put like this first. This one can control the size. Like this. And lock this one. Go down the paper. Now we check here. Put the bottom paper inside here. And the paper you see. Here you can see paper to this position. About paper fan. We put a little water to wet the paper fan. Look like this to be wet the paper here. And leave this paper fan 30分钟 Use. And this piece face up. This print size down and P face up. And P face up and print face down and put this put here when start work. And to adjust these two locations suitable for paper size. If you have a lot of paper fan, put them on table or shelf. To wet the paper fan by water, cover with a damp towel for 10分钟 Use. Take off the towel and wet again to cover. Then you like can work the machine.